everybody. Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. All right, guys, we got a Super Cobra 2000 base. This has got an Encore supply with it. I don't have it. The customer just brought me the box. We put a new variable in it, redid it, retuned the input, and put two new HG 454s in the drivers. It does have 42879 Toshibas in it. Thought about rebuilding it because I could get more out of it, but it's a factory build, so I just left it like it was. And it's a pretty good looking working little box. Just trying to keep it where to stay together for the gentleman. Maybe he ain't been blowing his Toshibas out, so I decided to leave it alone. So we're going to do a real quick test review, repair review. Let you guys know what's up. 16 pill base is next on the list. They're going to start it tonight and won't get off of it until it's finished. Then we got to do a 2 pill base. Then we got a 2x12 base. And we're getting some more repairs in, so we might sneak some of them in between all this. Alrighty, guys, let me get this thing all set up, and I'll be right back with you, and we'll do a test review. Alrighty, guys, we're back. We're going to do a quick test review. We're going to start out like we always do. Straight through SWR, worldwide, 0. Get on down, break. This thing does have some relay stuff been changed in it and made up. It's been around the block, but we just made it work. But a key transistor, variable, 2 drivers, retuned the input and output on the driver section, and made it work. We'll turn our power supply, and I do got it on about 15.4, 15.5. Like I said, it's on a voltage power supply, so get a closer idea to what it does. It's not a big super swinger or nothing like that. We just want to keep it working. Look at our input SWR and output PP. Hello worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14 and some change. No input SWR. You see everything's looking good and happy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super Cobra. That ought to get him out a little bit. We'll come over here and hook up our outdoor dummy load. Look at our LP100A. See what it does. I had him try it on the antenna. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's dirty. It is coming through my audio gear. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you notice my amps don't do that. Oh, let's see here. Let's move this. 1, 2. Now it still does it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just the difference in the tuning. As you see, it all is tuned up and everything, but it's the way the build is. Top ferret transformers just got in it, and old school stuff and all that stuff. It just ain't as clean as what we do now. So, but there it is, buddy. It's up and fixed for you. You can get back on the air. Alrighty, guys. I appreciate you watching. I want to get this done real quick for this local. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 0 and A Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.